Hi, welcome to my channel, Ruby Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to prepare these liners to sew inside and the inside of this design. I bought this one on Shein. They're a little bit in the smaller size, but don't matter because it's as long as I cover the center. That's okay. You're going to need a crochet hook. This one is a 3.5mm crochet hook. I'm going to use the same yarn or thread that I use for the design, the black one, and I'm gonna use these that I have here to punch some holes in order to prepare these to attach to the piece. You can use a tapestry needle, very pointed tapestry needle, to open some holes in the piece. You're gonna need tapestry needle and scissors to sew the ends. I know this is black with black yarn that you don't want to see much, but I will try to explain and you will get the gist of what I'm doing. So with this, I'm gonna open some hole all the way around the border, and I measure around 1 centimeter from the border and like half a centimeter in between the little holes. I already opened a few holes here. You're gonna start in the center. You're gonna open a hole. Very careful. You're gonna try to do them at the same distance. Very careful not to prick yourself with the tip of this or the needle that you're using. So try to do it at the same distance. This is the only thing about this that sometimes this don't stay in place. I lose the when I push. There. I will do this all the way around, one in the center here, all the way around, and the same with the other one. This thing I bought it a while back is this. It's a needle punching set to do this, so that's what I'm using, but you can use anything that you have on hand. So I will do this all the way around this one and the other one, and I will meet you here. I'm gonna work with the purple, that way you guys can see what I'm doing. So you're gonna do a slip knot, do that loop a little bit loose, and then you're gonna come here in one of those little holes. You're gonna pass your hook. This is the right side, this is the inside, and you're gonna pass it through, and you're gonna chain one, and in the same space you're going to do a single crochet. Now you're going to the next space and you're going to do 2 single crochet inside in the same space. And at the same time I'm loosening the tail. I find that it would look really nice with the purple. I don't know. I'm deciding if we do a purple or black because they both will work. The contrast. So 2. Now in the here on the tip, you're gonna do 3. 1, 2, and 3. And now you continue with 2 on each one. So I think I'm gonna do 1 purple. I know it's a lot of work. I'm gonna do 1 purple, 1 black, and then decide which one I will go for, because I really like the way the contrast with the purple here look. The same as the piece. You see, like that you're gonna work all the way around, and you're gonna do both exactly the same. I finished this one and I decided to go with the black, and I left the tail long enough for sewing. Now I'm going to prepare the second one and I will meet you here. I finished the 2 of them, and I forgot to mention you're going to need some pins. I removed the tie from the center, that way it's easier to work. I already have this one in place. I'm going to prepare this one. So I did the other one in Spanish. So this is the way you're going to place it. So the center, make sure that you have it on the center with center, and then you will flat this. You see, make sure that it's flat, and the tip with the tip, like so. And then with the pins, you're gonna pin this all the way around in place. Sorry, I forgot to mention you're gonna need some pins. But this will make life easier. So all the way around. So it's good to have quite a few pins, that way you'll see when I flip I stay in place. just like this, and they stay in place. So now we're gonna sew this together, and it will end up like that. Perfect. Now very carefully we're gonna sew this. So if you have, like me, a different color, you have to make sure that you don't pass your needle through the other side, that you will see the stitch, especially here where you have the purple. So we're gonna stitch this all the way around. Well, I finished both. Look how nice this look. I really like the way I look with the black, a better finish, and I love it. It's absolutely perfect, and I hope you guys like it, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make anything with this idea, you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Rubine Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Rubine Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye. And don't forget that thumbs up.